Back with another whatnot haul. They just keep coming and they're not gonna stop. But it's not even Halloween yet, and I'm like 85% done with Christmas shopping. Thank you to Whatnot Live Auctions. Don't mind my nails because that's gonna be another video because we don't mess with Spirit Halloween press on nails no more. All of this was just in my mailbox. We'll start with my tried and true, my absolute favorite 3/6 sample sale. Anything Halara is pretty much it. I mean, they got Halara. They're selling bras, they're selling leggings. The main brands they're selling is Halara. $1 starts. Every auction, every person that I follow, and I can drop them in the comments if you'd like, every seller that I follow, their auction start at $1. And it's good quality, brand new stuff. It's in the bags. So, one of these entails something I don't know. What, like, I was bidding on stuff. Like, there'll be 100 people in an auction, and there's something will go up for $1, and they're like, really, nobody wants it, and I swipe. So I think this might be the thing. Maybe not. I don't know if this one was intentional or not. Let's be honest. No, this looks intentional. This looks intentional. Perhaps. Cut out back. This is a romper. It's not the easy peasies, but there are shorts underneath with the phone pocket and all that good stuff. What size is this? Maybe if I looked at the bag before this is a large. So now I got this for a friend. Unless I like it for myself. I think that's for a friend, for sure. Super cute. Like Barbie pink. Yeah, let's try that on. Well, let's be honest. This is I bet this is the one that I don't know what it is. I don't know. It's the same color, is it not? Is it not? Is it not the same color? I think it's a brighter, like deeper pink. Oh, no, that's cute. No, I know this is for too. I think, okay, but it's supposed to cover. You don't have to wear a bralette or a tank top underneath that. The way that they made it seem, it says ruching on both sides. I just saw the one side. It's got a little ruche moment on both sides. Really nice material. Again, this is more of their athleisure stuff. There are a mix of athleisure and like work clothes. They're definitely the same color pinks. I think those are both for friends. Definitely. And then I want a giveaway because a lot of them host giveaways too. And this one is something different because I've gotten 2, if not 3, Halara, just like Kelly Green sweatbands with the logo on it. So I quit entering giveaways because I'm like, I don't want to win. It says random accessory, Halara accessory, but I kept getting the same random Halara accessory. So this time, oh, it is Halara. I got a little, oh, that's a lot brighter on the screen than it looks in person. It looks more like a navy blue. But you see a little card holder and does say hello. Halara. So that's nice. I thought it was attached to the back of your phone for a second. But 'tis not the case. We'll just keep going because this is more 3/6 sample sale. Just in another package. 2 best friends, my sister, and I think even some of my mom. All the Halaras. Oh, yes. So these are random pulled colors of the BBL leggings. They are Halara. They're like made in the same house as Halara, I think is what they said. These? Okay, these look like a purpley. For sure. Does it say the colors? It does. This is Night's Purple. And I do believe that these have pockets. You see the butt scrunch, of course. These ones have ribbing down this side, which the other pair I got did not. Okay, so that's interesting then. I don't know if they feel. The other ones I got felt like butter. These, not so buttery. I'll have to try them on though. So Night's Purple, Winter Moss, and Black. So another time they gave me more black ones. So for going random, you didn't get like butter color. We didn't get anything bright. All the colors I've gotten the last time I got a light gray, a dark gray. I'm trying to look back at my order because I swear I got large. Unless I got mediums. I got another set of mediums, and I got larges. A little confused there. Now this are 2 dresses. So I came across DressYouNeed is the seller name, I'm pretty positive. Formal dresses, sparkling, stunning, stunners from XS, extra small to 5XL. Starting at, you guessed it, I got 2. I bid on like 4. And I'm hoping I can wear them for some cosplay stuff. Okay, so they've come. So these are how long I was watching. I was there for auction 336, and then I stuck around for auction 406. I'll be honest, I was probably there all day because this particular seller, they start the show at 8 a.m. and they ended at midnight. So they just got different hosts coming in, like clocking into their shift and taking over. So let's see. I got a purple one and I got a green one. And this is the purple one. So first off, roll it up in a darn little ball. So it's gonna be that match. But this one, if I'm correct, yes, it has a bodysuit. So we're gonna be cheeky cheeking. Which means that this is my green one. And this one, I think I end up getting a hint. Like a size or two bigger. I spent less than $20 on both of these dresses. On both of them. Oh, she's stunning in person. This is beadwork. This is applique. There's a titty top in there. There's padding. We get a little see-through moment in here. Oh, she's got to go on my body. Oh my God. Oh my golly. Jesus. A corset back, which is why I went with the bigger one, because I'm like, we can just lace her up. Oh my God. Oh my God. This dress is worth hundreds of dollars. I got it for maybe $20. Oh, it's going on my body. Oh my God, it's stunning.